shall sing in spite of traitors' ways, in which I will speak blames and dishonors as din, and treasons by thousands and by hundreds made. For if Cain has of the world the seed's own birth, the stave I believe was of his very worth, who to enacted 3 such treasons then, that Judas nor Ganelon would have done to men. For those 2 betrayed in selling, as men know, one sold Christ and the other the champion sold, and they made themselves most infamous sellers bold. But as Steve betrays in killing, laying low, for his godfather found no defense or worth in him nor his godson. He did such a death of faith that at their dinner he killed the 2 and took their goods because they had invited him true. When a Steve goes to visit his kinsmen near, he makes a show that he bears them love's own heir, and he keeps birds and dogs and hunters there, and makes himself so loving and full of cheer, and goes hey with a beautiful bearing's grace, and when they are intent on service in that place, he leaps up like a traitor, sudden and base, and kills cook and auction and bailiff face to face. Steve is in the manner of the Eglantine's flower, fat and round, full of evil humor's dower, and of the finest traders in the world the flower. So he would need a very great hanging tower, but to the hanged it would be a vileness and disgrace if he were of their obedience in that place, and if that cloister were his dwelling space, for never was there a hangman there so false and base. And confessors, it ain't hack, and he made deceivers and liars, and he made traitors all with the same iron pliers. But now he does henceforth such penance as this: he commits pride and begins wars with a hiss, and houses whores and thieves in his abyss, and steals oxen and wheat and bacon by my bliss. Stave, when you take your penance at last, tell the chaplain patiently as he holds fast, of the sirventes I have